So this morning we woke up and there was a package outside our room for Pim.
It's from mommy. So I don't know how you call it. It's a rhyme from Sinterklaas from my parents, and because we're not in the Netherlands this year, they bought us everything that's good about Sinterklaas, like all the candy and stuff. So really good for me and Merlin. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, thanks Marjolein. Yesterday Pim bought a car and it's like a monster. So we're now in forest. We're going to have a small walk today, a hike into the forest. So before we start our hike, we have some lunch. Look, my buddies. Van mijn hoofd. Pak mijn camera. You got a buddy there.
I wonder if you guys under again.
We had a great lunch. As you saw, all the different kinds of birds came over to us. They were not really shy, so that's really fun. Even one came on my shoulder, as you see. It was amazing. Just a really nice experience. Now we're going to hike into Sherbrooke Forest. Around 10 minutes ago we started our hike. In the end, the hike was just 500 meters, so we're already done. Looking for hike number 2. We found our second hike. Let's go into the forest.
Naar links.
This track is way more challenging than the other one. Just a funny fact. Up here you see these trees. Whoop. Some of them they grow over 65 meters.
Mijn zonnetje die wilde nog niet door.
This was the waterfall we've been searching for. Look, how small. Sometimes you hear the cockatoos screaming over the forest. That's really cool.
Kijk, die mandje.
Dat vind ik dus echt een lelijke beest.
So we found another weird looking bird. It looked like a small ostrich. So hopefully we find some more special animals. Oh wait, a rhino. Wow, I haven't seen such a beautiful animal in ages. So we're almost back from our hike. It was beautiful, as you saw. Now we are heading back to the car and go home.